Philippines has a great history. According to our geography, Manila is the capital city, the king point from the other country. Metro Manila, Quezon City, Caloocan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina, Pasig, Zapote, Malabo, Las Piñas, Parañaque. From the north, Batanes, Apare, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Isabela, Cagayan Valley, Mountain Province, La Union, Baguio City, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Zambales, Bataan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna. Now let's go to the southern Luzon, Camarines, northern Quezon, Albay, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon.
Alright.
And we add 3 islands more, Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon.
Ayun, Bukalo Dance.
Then down to Visayas shore, famous of its sugar, coconut and corn. Ay, 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 Cebu, Mactan, Mandawi. Ay, 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 Bohol, Samar City. Ay, 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 Iloilo, Capisan, Antique, Palawan, Negros, Bacolod, Recordo, Magete. Now let's go to the land of promise, the land of Mindanao, Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Misamis, Ambajao, Butuan, Usan, Surigao, Cagayan de Oroquigan, Ozamis, and the chief provinces of Davao, Davao, Soror, Caldan Norte, Cotabato, Lanao, Solo, Tawi-Tawi. Aye, aye, Philippines has a great history. Ay, 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 Manila is a capital city. Ay, 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 all tourists are invited to see according to our geography. Philippines is a beautiful country.
Alright.